Those of you who ride the Honda RS150, maybe you come across this problem. You see here? What's the difference? Hold on, I give you more lights. Okay, what's the difference between my signal light and other RS150 signal light? I'll give you the front view of the front signal light. See what's the difference? If you notice, it's shorter. So why shorter? Let's go to the back again, okay? So here, the difference is shorter also, right? Where should I put this light? Hold on. The original, it used to be like an inch length of rubber piece here. So after 3 years of riding, this rubber piece is, what's the word you call it? Deteriorate. The rubber just went bad, and yeah, wear and tear due to time. So then you will get this part dangling down because the rubber just broke into pieces, and then both signal light, actually all four, they just, maybe I try to get some pictures or videos from the internet showing this signal lights all it broke down, or what do you call it. So how I overcome this issue is I totally get rid of the whole rubber. I'm so sorry that I did not make a video on it. So I took out the whole rubber and connect it directly. So yeah, this video is just to tell you that difference, but I'm sorry I cannot show you how I did it because I've done it already. So you just need to figure out how to do it. If you have a question, then you might want to just maybe comment, and then maybe I will answer it in typing form instead of, but maybe if I find a time, I can make a separate video. I try to dismantle this one and I show you how is the inside, because now you can't see anything, not even from underneath here. No, can't be shown. What I only can show is that you get a shorter and nicer looking signal light. But of course, the other way is for you to totally get rid of it, and the bulb you put it inside there. So I think some other riders already make a video of that one. Yeah, this is just a short 5 minutes video just to tell you what I did with my signal light. Okay, that's all. Not even my face today. So adios. See you in the next one. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi.